Hi, this is Papa J Learns Excel here. So today I'm going to teach you about calculations, auto calculations and manual calculations. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so as you can see, this table is about 12 months over here and the expenses over here. And the expenses are incrementals of 100 every month from 1,000 all the way to okay, let's change the formula over here from 1,000 in January, increasing of 100 every month to all the way to 2,001 in December. Okay, so now we are going to deal with these calculations options over here. So by default, is the calculations is automatic, all right? But sometimes when your Excel file is very big, you wouldn't want to set it to automatic mode, because every time you change something, the Excel will automatically update, and it will take a lot of operations and time to update if the Excel file is very big. Okay, so let me show you an example, right? So let's say for this table, right, you want to sum up the total over here. Okay, so the total is 18,600 over here. Now if you change this to 3,000, the total will be automatically calculated for you. Okay, let's change this back to 2001. Okay, so now let's click on menu. All right, and let's change December to 3,000. So you will notice that the total doesn't get updated automatically, right? You have to do it yourself. How? Easy. You can just calculate now or calculate sheet. You can try calculating now. You will update, right? Okay. Let's go back to the previous total, where December is 2001. Okay, now let's change to 3,000 over here, and let's try to calculate sheet. Okay, you click on calculate sheet and it will also be updated. The difference is when you click on calculate sheet, it will just update this sheet, whereas when you click calculate now, you will update the whole workbook, right? Depending on the on your Excel, because I deal with very big Excel files, where some Excel files used to deal with very big Excel files. Some Excel files can go up to 100 megabyte, and there are many sheets over there. It can be 40-50 sheets. Okay, so whenever I update something, I wouldn't want to calculate now, because it will take a lot of time, and the whole Excel file will freeze, and you need to shut it down. So I will just set it to manual and calculate sheet, right? Okay, so let's change this back and click calculate sheet. You won't be able to experience this in this Excel, because the Excel file is very small here. Okay, so that's it for now. This is Papa J Learns Excel. See you in the next video. Bye.